Get up. Try it again. Get up. Try it again. You muddy? Come here. Let me see you. You muddy? Are you muddy? Samuel thinks that what is that? A roller coaster, Samuel? Is that a roller coaster? Did you get dirty? Yeah, you got stuff all over you. Let me see. Hey, was that fun though? That fun? That's fun. Just go do it again, right? Just go do it again. Jay, show me your digging tool there. So what is that?
Cutter blade and a big long pipe.
Pipe, well, it's a bolt actually is what that is. Show me again. Put it up there. That's a cutter blade, an old cutter blade that he fashioned and put some nuts in there, and that piece of threaded bolt, and it made him a nice digging tool. Pretty good job, Jace. Hey, cat. Pepper the farm cat. Triple J Farm chicken. Empty right now. That means, for those of you who are regulars here, you know we're out of stock with chicken. Whole chickens will be back in stock the weekend after Thanksgiving. Whole chickens back in stock weekend after Thanksgiving. Let's see, we got some liver left. We got some cross-cut shank steak, cross-cut shanks. We got some cube steak left. We got a few steaks left, T-bones. It's like a bone-in ribeye, and of course we have our famous grass-fed ground beef there. So that's what we got left in the beef freezer. All right, Katie, what's for dinner tonight?
We're having Mongolian beef.
Mongolian beef cooked where?
Right here.
Instant Pot. She loves Instant Pot. She loves them so much that she has 2 of them.
And a whole bunch of recipes stacked up.
Instant Pots. Mongolian beef in the Instant Pot. All right, thank you.
This is rice. That's what you put that underneath your barbecue, your Mongolian beef. Hold on, let me show you. I'll just put a little
Samuel.
since you don't like rice very much. Daddy,
Is
you
it?
go down there.
That looks amazing in this.
It does.
All right, Katie, tell us what's in the Mongolian beef again.
It's flank steak, brown sugar, water, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, a little bit of red pepper flakes. Is it spicy, or are you talking about heat? Too hot on the temperature? Okay.
And what else?
A little bit of cornstarch to thicken it. That's it.
And you cooked it in the Instant Pot.
I did.
Instant Pot. There you go. You heard it here, folks.